everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this beautiful fall makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a like. And let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start off using a concealer. This one is from e.l.f. and I'm going to use this as a shadow base just to make my shadows pop a little bit more. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out with my Araceli Beauty sponge. Then I'm going to go with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette volume 2, and I'm going to apply that orangey color onto the crease. I do take my time applying my crease color just because that one, if I don't blend it out good, all my shadows won't blend as well. So I want to make sure I blend that in and make it as pigmented as I want it. Then I'm going to mix these two shadows right there, and I'm going to apply them on top, just to give me more of that orangey look that I'm looking for. Then I'm just blending it back and forth, making sure that everything is really nice and pigmented, and then I'll go back and blend it with another color. Then I'm going to go with this yellow shade from the same palette and use that yellow shade and blend everything out just to make sure that everything has a contrast, like it's going from yellow to the orange to the burnt orange. So I'm just using this yellow to blend everything together. Then I'm just going back again with the same burnt orange and blend and apply the same color again, just to make sure that everything is as pigmented as I like it. I felt like I was losing the pigmentation, so I went ahead and I retouched anything that needed to be retouched. Then I'm going with that burgundy shade and apply this right into the outer and inner corner of the eye, just to create that sandwich look, and I left the center without anything. Then I went with my same concealer and a brush and just apply this in the center of the lid because I'm going to go ahead and apply a shimmery shade. I wanted to apply a little bit of base just to help it pop a little bit more and for it to have something to stick with. Then I'm using this yellow gold shade and applying it with my finger. Then I use the orange and applied it in the sides of that center color. Then I'm just going back and blending everything out just to make sure everything is really nice and blended. Then I applied a little bit of concealer to the bottom lash line just to prep it for the shadows. I'm using these two shadows I used in the beginning, and I'm going to apply this right at the bottom lash line, and I'm tapping it into the eyes. And then I'm going with that burgundy shade, applying it in the inner and outer corner of the bottom lash line. Then I'm using that same gold shade and the orangey shade just to apply it in the center. The same thing I did on top, I did at the bottom. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes, but first I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara just to prep the lashes before I apply my falsies. And I'll list all the products down below for you guys with discount codes. And if you guys are interested, I do post all that info on my Instagram when I post a picture of the look. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply some setting spray onto this brush, and then I'm going to apply some highlighter. I'm using MAC highlighter. I'll list all the products down below as well. And I'm just applying this wherever I want it to pop, and I usually do it all over the place because I really love highlighter, but you can definitely tone it down. Then I'm using a lip liner from Morphe. You can use prettygrace or some money off, like I said, and this is in Honeymoon, and I'm just lining my lips. I had already done it, but I wanted to show you guys. Then I'm using a lipstick from makeupforever, their new rouge lipsticks. I forgot the name of the color, but I'll list it down below. Then I'm using a MAC lip gloss. This is an old one, but it is my favorite, and I just applied it on top just to give me that little glossy look. A little bit of setting spray to finish the look, and this should be the final results. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.